We just pulled into Paradise Beach Club here in Carriacou for their Wednesday night special. Paint your boat name on a piece of driftwood and put it on the wall. They said that they lost hundreds of these plaques last year from Beryl. During the salvage, they found a good handful of plaques laying around the debris and they reattached. So there are paintings back from pre-Beryl 2020, 2021. We've actually spotted a few of our friend boats, our previous buddy boats, paint our names and get on the wall, and then we're gonna have fun.